G'day everybody, how you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to make amazing pickles. These pickles are great. I mean, you can obviously buy pickles at home, but these just take it to another level. It's pretty cool. I found this recipe under Neil Perry. A famous chef called Neil Perry. I don't know if you've heard of him. He has a burger steak place called Rock Pulls, and he uses these pickles that he borrowed or nicked from another restaurant in America somewhere. But these are using zucchinis. I mean, pickles normally use cucumber, which has a harder texture, obviously. It's crunchier, but zucchini pickles gives this silkier flavor, and there's so much flavor, there's so much going on to it. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So to begin with, what I have is a pickling pot. So all I've got is about 1.5 litre of white vinegar. Got some peppercorns, I've got some bay leaves, you can put some thyme in it, and about 1 litre of water, about a handful, say about half a cup of sugar, and a small handful of salt. How do you tell whether it's right combination? Taste it. So once you taste it, if you want it sweeter, if you want it saltier, then just add more. So just go with your feel with that. Don't find your cups and stuff and make the cooking really boring. Just chuck it in, taste it. If it tastes alright, great. If not, add more stuff to it. It's a great way to develop your palate and learn what the best way to make something taste really good. So I got that simmering. I want to bring that to the boil. And what we got is some zucchinis. So I've put them on a mandolin. You can just cut these by hand if you like, but I find these little, we cut these into ribbons, they're kind of cool. What's amazing about these and what's really great for these is that the salt and acidic cuts through the fat, so it gives it breaks down things like for your burgers, where burgers are quite fatty and rich. This breaks it down. This is great for seafood, like it goes great with fish. It goes great with your steak, which we'll do tomorrow. I've got some really lovely Wagyu steak. We can go through that tomorrow on a live video. But anyway, this is gonna go with it. So what we do, we get these zucchinis, and all we need to do is bring your poaching, your brine to a boil. And once it's boiling, we need to just put these straight in. It depends on the thickness and how you want these pickles, but all you have to do is just put them in and just bring it back to the heat. You don't want to cook these out, because what will happen is they go all mushy and they'll go all really gross. So that's not the goal. You want it to be, still have that little bite, almost like a al dente, and they're the perfect ones. So what we've got is on this stove. Why don't you come over here and have a look? So we got these on high, and all you want to do is just cook these, just bring it to the boil. Once that comes to the boil, it will just start to soften. You take it off and you put it through, you leave it in a container and let it sit. Put it in the fridge, cool it down, strain it, and then you can just eat it. I'll show you with the steak tomorrow. It's really delicious, try it, it's awesome. Okay, see you next time.